Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the drawstring path. Turn the hood inside out if the channel is tight. Thread a safety pin or straightened paper clip into one drawstring end. This gives you a firm leading tip. Once the pin is secure, push it gently into the channel while bunching fabric forward with your other hand. This reduces friction and prevents the string from retracting. Make sure to keep even tension so the tip can travel smoothly toward the opening. You continue by inching the pin through. Use short, confident pushes while feeding the seam over the pin. If the tip catches, stop and wiggle it left to right as you pull a small amount of fabric back. This shifts the snag point. Once done, alternate between pulling the leading end and smoothing fabric to prevent bunching. If the channel is extremely tight, lightly rub a bar of soap or a tiny bit of wax on the string to reduce friction, then proceed slowly. You finish by pulling the drawstring out fully and aligning both ends so the hood sits centered. Tie a small knot or attach new eglets to stop fraying. Once done, test the cord by tightening and loosening to ensure smooth movement. If the string snaps, tie a secure knot near the tip and replace later, or replace the entire string. If it still won't budge, open a short seam or use a thin crochet hook to grab the string and pull it out carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.